Hello, this is Sujata Ganjarla. Today I am going to discuss about number systems. This is very much useful for all competitive exams. Next comes to definition natural numbers. All positive integers are natural numbers. There are infinite natural numbers and number 1 is the least natural number. Examples of natural numbers are 1, 2, 8 and so on. Prime numbers. A natural number larger than unity is a prime number if it does not have other divisors except for itself and unity. Unity is not a prime number. Then comes to properties of prime numbers. The lowest prime number is 2. Number 2 is also the only even prime number. The lowest odd prime number is 3. The remainder when a prime number p greater than equal to 5 is divided by 6, it is 1 or 5. The remainder of the division of the square of a prime number p greater than or equal to 5 divided by 24 is 1. For prime numbers p greater than 3, p square minus 1 is divisible by 24. Next comes to another properties. If a and b are any two odd primes, then a square minus b square is composite. Also, a square plus b square is composite. The remainder of the division of the square of a prime number p greater than equal to 5 divided by 12 is 1. Then checking whether a number is prime or not. First, take the square root of the number. Second, round the square root to the immediately higher integer. Call this number z. Check for divisibility of the number n by all prime numbers below z. If there is no prime number below the value of z which divides n, then the number n will be prime. For example, square root of 241 lies between 15 to 16. Hence, take the value of z as 16. Prime numbers less than or equal to 16 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Hence, 241 is not divisible by any of these prime numbers. Hence, 241 is a prime number. Now let's discuss about concept of greatest common divisor. Rules for finding the GCD of two numbers n1 and n2. Find the standard form of the numbers n1 and n2. Write out all prime factors that are common to the standard forms of the numbers n1 and n2. Each of the common prime factors listed above to the lesser of the powers in which it appears in the standard forms of the numbers n1 and n2. The product of the results of the previous step will be the GCD of n1 and n2. Let's discuss about example of GCD. Find the GCD of 160, 220, 370. 160 can be written as 2 power 5 into 5. 220 can be written as 2 square into 5 into 11. 370 can be written as 2 into 5 into 37. Writing prime factors common to all three numbers 2 into 5. Hence the HCF is 10. Let's discuss about another example. The sides of a hexagonal field are 225, 432, 1233, 1449, 2178 and 2232 meters. Find the greatest length of tape that would be able to exactly measure each of these sides without having to use fractions. Small difference would be 2232 minus 2178 equals to 54. The factors of 54 are 1 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 into 18 and 6 into 9. One of these 8 numbers has the HCF of the 6 numbers. 54 cannot be the HCF because 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 9 being odd numbers would not be divisible by 54. Number 225 does not divide it by 20, hence 27 cannot be HCF. 9 divides all the numbers, hence 9 will be the HCF. Let's discuss about concept of LCM. Find the standard form of the numbers n1 and n2. Write out all the prime factors which are contained in the standard forms of either of numbers. Raise each of the prime factors listed above to the highest of the powers in which it appears in the standard forms of the numbers n1 and n2. The product of results of the previous step will be the LCM of n1 and n2. Let's discuss about example of LCM. Find the LCM of 160, 220 and 375. 160 can be written as 2 power 5 into 5. 220 can be written as 2 square into 5 into 11. 375 can be written as 5 cube into 3. Write down all the prime factors that appears at least once in any of the numbers. Then LCM will be 2 power 5 into 5 power 3 into 11 into 3. HCF of two or more fractions is given by HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. LCM of two or more fractions is given by LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and comment and give suggestions.